Stepping onto a vehicle that refuses to tip over changes your entire perspective on the neighborhood commute. Most of us spend our lives balancing on two wheels fighting gravity every time we slow down for a red light or a sharp corner. But the whole point of this compact electric trike is to stop worrying about falling over entirely. It is not trying to be a sleek racing machine. It is not built for the person who wants to hit high speeds down a steep hill. Instead, it is built for the person who wants to go get some groceries or cruise through the park without ever having to put a foot down to keep from tipping. The frame is a low step-through design. This means you do not have to be an athlete to hop on. You just step in, sit down on a wide padded seat that actually has a backrest, and you are ready to roll. It feels more like a mobile lounge chair than a piece of intense exercise equipment. The power comes from a motor that can hit a high peak output, more than enough for most neighborhood streets, but do not let those big marketing numbers lead you astray. In the real world, the distance you can travel depends on how many hills you face and how much cargo you have stuffed into those baskets. If you are carrying a week worth of groceries, you are going to see that battery drain faster. That is just basic physics. Now let us get into the slightly messy stuff because no product is perfect. Some people who have bought this thing have been pretty vocal about the setup process. The instructions are apparently a bit of a nightmare. They leave you scratching your head over which bolt goes where. People on community forums have complained about loose parts right out of the box. You really have to be your own quality control officer for an hour or so. You need to check every single connection to make sure nothing was missed at the factory. Then there is the handling. This is the biggest shock for regular bike riders. 3 wheels do not lean. If you try to take a corner fast, the trike will humble you. It might even lift a wheel. You have to learn to steer with your arms and stay upright rather than leaning with your body. It is a totally different way of moving through space. But for the right person, someone who wants that confidence of total stability, it is a game changer. Assembly is mostly about unfolding the frame and locking it tight. You slide the handlebars and get the front wheel aligned and then bolt on that comfy seat and the cargo baskets. Make sure the battery is locked and pump up those fat tires and give the brakes a good squeeze before you head out into traffic. It is a very specific tool for a specific job. If you want a calm, reliable, and comfortable way to run errands without a balancing act, this machine offers something a standard bike just cannot match. It turns a stressful ride into a relaxing stroll on wheels. Just take your time with the build, and respect the corners. By focusing on the ride rather than the struggle of staying upright, you might find that you actually enjoy the journey again. This trike is all about reclaiming that sense of freedom without the fear of a tumble. It is practical, it is approachable, and it is built for the real world.